Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. Today we'll see section E of Maths Classroom CBSE answer key 30/3/1 set. So in the previous videos I have covered section A, B, C and D. So if you are new to this video and if you want to check those sections, I'll keep those links in the description. You can go to there and check the section A, B, C, D and section A, B, C, D sections. Today we'll cover section E questions. Okay, these are section A questions which I mentioned. It is first 20 questions, 18 are MCQ and 2 are assessment reason questions. And then I started section B. All the questions, irrespective of options, I have solved. And then section C I have started. Section D. AP questions. This is related to N, that is EH question, triangles questions. And at last the surface area and volume question. Okay, so now let's start with section E, which are case study questions. So we have 3 case study questions, so let's solve one by one. First case study: a garden designer is planning a rectangular lawn that is shown surrounded by uniform walkway. So we have a lawn surrounded by uniform walkway like this. Okay, so what is the question? So we have two rectangles, I can say one is inside, one is outside and the walkway dimension is same, which is x here as well as here. Okay, so what the total area of the lawn and the walkway is 360. Total area is 360, they have already mentioned. The width of the walkway is same all the sides. Okay, the dimensions of the lawn itself are 12 meters into 10. So inside is 12 into 10. Okay, so formulate the quadratic equation representing the total area of the lawn and the walkway, taking the width of walkway as x. So this is one more question. So let's solve first one part. So if you notice here, total what we have two rectangles. One is inside, one is outside. Inside is 12 into 10, whereas this is x and this is x. So total I can say this is also x. So total width outside rectangle is 10 plus 2x, whereas length of outside rectangle is, again this is also will be x. So 12 plus 2x. So the first answer, what is the question? Formulate the quadratic equation representing the total area of the lawn and the walkway. So represent the total area of the lawn and walkway is 12 plus 2x, length into breadth is the area of rectangle. So length 12 plus 2x into 10 plus 2x is equal to, what is the area they have provided? 360 square meters is equal to 360 meters square. So let's multiply these two. It will get 120 plus 20x plus 12 to is 24x plus 4x square is equal to 360. So I'll write x square first. So it is 4x square plus 22 plus 24 is 44x is equal to 360 minus 120. So this will become 4x square plus 44x is equal to 360 minus 120 is 240. So if I divide by 4, I will get x square plus 11x is equal to 6 4 is 24. Okay, so the final quadratic equation is x square plus 11x minus 60 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which we need to solve to get the value of x. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation they're asking. What is the second part? Solve the quadratic equation to find the width of the value of x. Okay, let's solve this. A part. What is quadratic equation? X square plus 11x minus 60. X square plus 11x minus 60. Factors of 60. 2 into 30. 4 into 15. Yes, this is enough. So x square plus 15x minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x into x plus 15 minus 4 into x plus 15 is equal to 0. So this becomes x minus 4 into x plus 15 is equal to 0. So the x values I got it as 4 and minus 15. Minus 15 cannot be the value because it cannot decrease. We are sure to increase it. So the only value of x is 4. Therefore, dimension of walkway is equal to 5 meters. So second part, if the cost of paying the walkway at the rate of 50 rupees per square meter is this much, calculate the area of walkway. Okay. Cost 50 per square meter is this much. So we don't know the square meter, but what they have mentioned, cost per paying the walkway at the rate of 50 per square meter is this much, calculate area of the walkway. So here it is direct answer. So area into cost is how much? How much I mentioned? 12,000. 12,000 or 1,200. Let me just cross check. 12,000. Cost of paying the walkway at the rate of 50 per meter square meter is this much, calculate the area of walkway. So it is easy direct answer because area into each square meter cost. So area into cost per square meter, how much? 50. 50 per meter is equal to 12,000. So area will be easy now. Area is equal to 12,000 by 50. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 0. So area of walkway is equal to 240 meters square. Okay. You can also find in opposite way also, because total is 360. Inside if you see it is 12 into 10 is 120. So again from here also you can see area of walkway is 360 minus 12 into 10 120. There also you will get the same answer, which is 240. Okay, either in cost also you can solve it, in that also you can solve it. Okay, let's move to the third one. What is the third question? Find the perimeter of the lawn. Lawn is inside one. Inside rectangle. So simple, the area of perimeter of rectangle which is having a dimensions of 10 and 12. Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of lawn is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 12 plus 10, which is 2 into 12 plus 10 is 22, which is 44 meters. Okay, so it's easy one. Let's move to the second case study. A lighthouse. I think this is same question which we already discussed. I think in previous year 23 or 24, one of the set paper has the same question. Okay, let's solve it. A lighthouse stands tall on a cliff of the sea, watching over ships that pass by. One day a ship is seen approaching the shore, and from the top of the lighthouse, the angle of depression of the ship are observed to be 30 and 45 as it moves from point P to point Q. Okay, the height of the lighthouse is 50. Fine. So I will draw the same diagram. We have a triangle like this, short and big. From P it is moving to Q. From P the angle is 30, whereas here the angle is 45. I will write directly, here it is 30, here it is 45. And I think they have mentioned the height of the tower. How much? Height of the tower is 50. Okay, so let's mark it A and B for our convenience. We already mentioned BA. Okay, if they mention, you have to write the same B, and this is A. Okay, let's see what is the question. Find the distance of the ship from the base of the lighthouse when it is at Q, where the angle of depression is 45. Find the distance of the ship from the base of lighthouse. Okay, they are asking this distance. So let's solve the first one. Distance, simply QA they are asking. So just use triangle QBA. Tan 45 is equal to AB by QA. Tan 45 is 1. AB is 50 by QA. Therefore QA is equal to 50. So distance of ship from point Q is 50. I think it should be meters only. Let me just see. Is meters. 50 meters, correct. Just a minute, I will be back in one. Let's see the second point. Find the measures of PBA, QBA. PBA. Okay. So this is 45. Sorry, this is 45. Okay. This you can easily find by using this. This is right angle 90 degrees. So PBA. So I'll write here. Consider triangle PBA. Consider another triangle. Another triangle is not required. I think QBA they're asking it. What is the second one? QBA. QBA. I'll write both in separately. Let's draw the triangle again. PQBA. This is 45. This is 30. This is 90. So PBA, if I take angle P plus angle B plus angle A is equal to 180. Angle P is how much? 30. And this we want, which is PBA plus angle A we already know, which is 90, is equal to 180. So angle PBA will be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 30, which is 60 degrees. What about QBA? QBA is easy because we already know this is 45, this is 90, so this also will be 45. But still I'll write it here. Angle Q plus angle QBA plus angle A is equal to 180. 45 plus angle QBA plus 90 is equal to 180. So angle QBA is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, let's move to the last one. Okay, that is one mark only, so no need to add in that much detail. Fine. So here we have options either A or B. Let's solve A part first. Okay, I'll say which will take less time. Okay, definitely A will take less time. Okay, find the distance traveled by the ship between the points P and Q, because here only asking distance, no calculation that much. So simply they are asking this value. So this value we already got. How much? 50. So consider big triangle, PBA triangle. Triangle PBA, if I consider, then tan 30 is equal to 50 by P plus 50. It is PQ, not P. PQ plus 50. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by, I'll write it as x to find the x value. So x plus 50 is equal to 50 root 3. So x value is equal to 50 into root 3 minus 1. Let's see in the question, did they mention root 3 value? Okay, if they haven't mentioned, you can leave it as it is. So this is the distance between P and Q is equal to 50 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Okay, let's solve B part as well. If ship moves continuously, if the ship continues moving towards the shore and takes 10 minutes to travel from Q to A, calculate the speed in kilometers per hour. 10 minutes to travel from Q to A. Okay. So distance we already know, from Q to A the distance is 50 meters. Time what they have mentioned, time it is taking 10 minutes. So speed formula is speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is 50 meters by 10 minutes. Here the units is very important because in the question they clearly mentioned what they want the units. It should be in kilometers per hour. So let's convert meters into kilometers and minutes into hours. Meters will be 1 by 1000 kilometer and minutes will be 1 by 60 hours. So you have to multiply into 60 by 100. So it is 5 into 60 by 100,000. So not 100. 5 into 60 is 300 by 1000. So it is 0.3 kilometers per hour. So speed is equal to 0.3 kilometers per hour. So if you stop it here, then it will be 5 minutes meters per minute. It's not even meters per second. So you have to convert meters into kilometer by 1 by 1000, minutes into hours by 1 by 60. So it becomes 60 by 1000. 5 into 60 by 1000, 5 into 60, 300 by 1000, 0, 0, 0 cancel, 3 by 10 is 0.3. So speed is equal to 0.3 kilometers per hour. So this is the second case study also done. Let's solve the last question for our question paper. The India Meteorological Department observes seasonal and annual rainfall every year in different subdivisions of a country. It helps them to compare and analyze the results. Okay, the table below shows subdivisions wise seasonal monsoon rainfall in 2023. So we have the data, rainfall data, number of divisions we have. Okay, first one, write the model class. So first answer is very easy. The model class is the one which is having more frequency. So which is having more frequency here? The highest is 7, which is 600 to 800 is the first answer. So first question is very easy. Maybe the second is a bit lengthy. Let's see what is second they are asking. Find the median or mean. So as per me, I will choose mean instead of median. Okay, because using step deviation, we can solve mean faster. But now I will solve both the formulas. For mean, what you have to do is for median, we have to also write the cumulative frequency to solve it. So I will prepare another table now. 200 to 400, how much I need to write till 1400. 400 to 600, 600 to 800, 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1200, 1200 to 1400. Okay, let's write f values. 347433, 347433. Let's write CF values, which are cumulative frequencies. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 4 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 3 24. So these are f values, frequency values. This is class interval. These are CF values. Let's stop it. So n value is 24. So for median, what you have to do is you have to find n by 2 first. N by 2 is 12. So 12 is belonging to this class. So this is the median class. Okay, so for median, what is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula you have to do for median. So let's apply the same formula and solve it. So L value of median class is 600. So it is 600 plus n by 2 is 12. CF is not this frequency, you have to write the before one. So it is 7 by F value of the frequency median class is 7 into H is 200. So it is 600, 12 minus 7 is 5 by 7 into 200. So it is 600 plus 1000 by 7. 7 1 just 7, 30, 7 4s are 28, 20, 7 2s are 14, 60, 7 8s are 56, 40, 7 5s are 35. Okay, again 50 and it will be 7. So it is 142 point something. So the final answer I can write it as 742.87 is the median. Okay, so let's solve the mode as well. Sorry, mean. Just cross check this value. 7 just 7 30, 7 4 is 28, 20, 7 2 is 14, 60, 7 8 is 56, 40. Okay, it will be 7 5 is 35. So median is done. So let's solve for mode as well. So for mode there is no need for cumulative frequency, but we need to write the other values. So let's draw the table again. 200 to 1400, 200 to 400, 400 to 600, 600 to 800, 800 to 1000. In exam anyway you have to solve only one, but here I am solving for both. Okay, let's write frequency values. 347433, 34743. Let's write XA values. XA is half of the mid of those values. It is 300, 500, 700, 900, 1100 and 1300. Let's assume the mean value as this one. Then xi minus a will become 300 minus 700 minus 400 minus 200, 0, 200, 400, 600. Xi minus a by h I will also do. So simply h is 200. So it is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then I need to multiply into f values. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, this is 0, 4 into 1 is 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Let's add all these values. So here I can cancel this one, 4 also gets cancelled out, so simply 9 is the value. So formula for mean is L plus, so if I write this as di sigma fi di by sigma fi into h. It's not L here, it should be a. Let's substitute. A value I have assumed it as 700, so 700 plus 9 by sigma fi we already got, which is 24, into h value is 200. So 4 table I will cancel. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 again, 2 25s are 50. So it is 700 plus 25 3s are 75. So the final mean value is 775. Now let's go to the last question for our question paper. If the subdivisions having at least 800 mm rainfall during monsoon is considered as a good rainfall subdivision, how many subdivisions has good rainfall? So it is very easy. Whichever is greater than 800, so these three, which is 4 plus 3 plus 3, 4 plus 3 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3 10. So 10 subdivisions are having good rainfall. Okay, so in this way all the sections, all the questions are been covered. So thanks for watching till end, and I hope you understood what are the answers for this set, which is 30 slash 3 slash 1 set. Okay, so as the CBSE exams are done, so from today or tomorrow I will start with another state syllabus, which is Telangana state. They are having exams this month end, so I will start previous year questions of Telangana state syllabus. If you are interested, you can also watch those videos. Thank you.